Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mahfuz Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. So I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. And I know you already staying at your home and the instruction what we give you at our WhatsApp group. Please follow all those instructions and keep yourself updated with our regular study plan. So my today's lecture, I am going to introduce a very interesting topic to you with you all. So today I am going to create a table. You see, I make a table at my whiteboard. You see at this table, I have lot of interesting topic for you. This one, you see, I add an image here and I put some hyperlink. Here two hyperlink in my table. I know you already watched our department's previous video very carefully and you know how to draw a table at HTML and you already know how to insert an image at our HTML table and hyperlink also. And today I am just mixing you all those lectures up in one video so that you can understand properly to all those topics very carefully. Okay. So I am going to start you from at first. I am just going to describe the table with you. In this table you see I add an image and this image already takes two rows. You see how if I put a dot marks, then you can understand that this image is already takes two rows at this table. And I know you already have the basic how a table form. A table forms with lot of rows and columns put together, then a table is formed, and this way you can see this image already takes two rows together. So this one we will call row span. Similarly, this way if a table contains two columns together, then we can say column span also. And I put two hyperlink here at my table. And I know you already how many hyperlink we have at our lectures. We have two hyperlink at our lecture. Number one, it's internal hyperlink, and number two, it's external hyperlink. And you see, I put a file name here, notice.html. If you are stayed at your own website or at your own server, then I know you obviously know at your websites or your HTML pages name. So this one we will call internal hyperlink, and this one milestone.com. Basically I want to create a hyperlink with our favorite college, milestonecollege.com's website's link. So this one will be external hyperlink. So now I am going to elaborate with you with my whiteboard. So you know at first we have to start our HTML tag with very basic. So we have to write HTML first. So this one is the starting of HTML code. Then we have to start with body. Now we have to start with table tag. You know we want to create a nice table like this. Table. In table tag we have to add an attribute. This one is border and this attribute value will be 1. By default value will be 1. Why? This border means all the table they have to an border. And this border basic value, this one a single line if you want to see at your question paper, then this one is by default value is 1. If you forget to put border or if you just forget to put value over here, you just have to make yourself a bad position. So border equals to 1 will be the by default value. Then we have to start our table. So first of all I am going to describe this table a little bit more. This table have how many rows and columns? I am just put my marker over here so that you can understand very easily how many rows and columns we have in a table. So you see this one our first row, second row and third row. Basically this table have 3 rows. And how many columns? I am putting my marker again here. You see column 1 and column 2. So we can say this table have 3 rows and 2 columns. So now I am going to start with row. So this one, first row. So table row will be start with TR, table row. Then the first row's 2 column I have to initiate. So for column we have to write TD, table data. In this TD, first TD what we have? Image. Then I will close TD. Then we have our second column, hyperlink. This way I am just finishing my first row with backslash tr. That means this tr will be open here, and backslash tr means the tr or the first row will close here. Now I am going to start again my second row. This way I am just finishing my first row. You see in my second row this image already consists with 2 rows. That's why I wrote down here row span, and notice.html is my second column for this second row. So now again I have to start with tr for my second row. Second row's first column I have to start with again td. So here you see this image already consists of 2 rows, that's this one and this one. So I have to write down here row span, double inverted comma. So this 2, basically this image consists of 2 rows, that's why I have to write down here 2. And then I have to start image tag. Basically I have to insert an image in that position of my table. So img, then src source img dot jpg, then this 200 for width and this 300 for height. So width 200 and height 300. Then I have to end with TD. So now I have to start with my second column of second row. So in this column we don't have any row span, just we have an internal hyperlink in this table. So you see notice.html, it means it's an internal hyperlink, you already know about that. So I have to write down hyperlink tag for that. That means a anchor tag. Then I have to initiate the attribute for hyperlink href, hyper reference, and I have to write down this file name. Notice dot html. Then I have to write down the link name. Basically this internal hyperlink, my source name and link name both are same. Now I have to end it up with a tag. So this one, it's an hyperlink tag I have to finish up. Then I will end my second row, second column. TD will be finished here. Now my second row is done. Enter type with tr close. This one tr start or this one is tr close. Now I have to start with again with my third row tr. In this third row, this image already took this two row together, so that's why I don't have to recalculate this area again. So just I have to calculate this portion, my third row's second column. Milestone.com. Basically, whenever you see a address looks like an website address, it can be in the domain top level domain name like .com, .org, .net, anything it can be. So you can consider it an external hyperlink. So this way, this third row I have to again start with TD. Then I have to start my third row second column with an hyperlink, and this one it's external. So I have to write down the protocol name, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, clone, then double backslash. Then I have to write down the address, website address, what we have at our Steam, www.milestonecollege.com, our college address. Then I am just finishing my bracket. Then I am just write down this link name, milestone.com. Then a tag will be closed. Then I will just finishing my a tag. So that's why you see I'm just finishing my external hyperlink, a tag open with the link given and the link name. Then I will just finish my this column, TD close. Then I have to just finish this row, this one, TR will be closed here. Now just what I have to do, I have to just finishing my sequential tag what I open at my top like HTML body and table. So in third position I open table here. So now I have to close my table, backslash table. Then I have to close body, backslash body. Then I have to close backslash HTML. Basically HTML document obviously all time start with HTML. So here you can see this row, this table, I'm just make sure if you just write this code on your laptop or computer what you have, or in your mobile you have an editor, if you write down this code, then you will see this sort of HTML table at the output. So this one I am going to mention here again, this one for first row, this one for second row, and this code for third row. I hope you understand my all these lectures, and if you have any confusion you can feel free to comment at my video, or you can talk to your respected subject teacher, will clarify your further confusion. I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing, please stay at home for your and your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.